Hey, this is Best Marketing Tips YouTube channel presents. Are you among those people who have zero knowledge about video editing but still want to create a professional video? Do you want to create a 3D animation video? If yes, then you must try the Viddyoze software. Videos are a great source of communication that can help you to get more traffic. It can double up your sales, followers, subscribers, etc. But you might also be familiar with it that video editing is not easy. It requires effort, skill, and hard work. To learn professional video editing, you have spent at least a year on learning particular video edition software. But if you want an urgent video and don't like learning that software by yourself, then you have to hire a freelancer that is going to charge hundreds of dollars for a small video. So what should a person looking for professional video do instead of spending hundreds of dollars? Well, such people can give a try to Viddyoze software that requires zero video editing knowledge. It has made the video editing task easier for beginners, but with a lot of video editor software available in the market, is Viddyoze a good pick? In this video's review, you will know everything about this software. What is Viddyoze? It is editing software through which you can create a professional video in a short time. Whether you want an intro, outro, a sales video for your social media, etc., you will get it through this software. To use this program, you don't require learning any skill. Within 3 steps, you can produce a high-quality video with this program. You don't have to build a template for your video because you will get access to 170 plus built-in templates with this tool. It is a cloud-based system, so you don't have to install anything on your system. You can access it from everywhere and from any device. Unlike other video editing software, this tool does not add any professional watermark in Viddyoze. Does Viddyoze work? This video editing software is a perfect choice for all types of users. As the working of this software is simple, you can master it within a few hours. Choose, edit, and download are three factors that this product depends on. Firstly, you have to pick up a template that you like the most. There are over 170 templates and you can select any of them. However, the program enables you to customize them according to your wish. Once you are done with customizing, now you need to edit things. You can include your brand logo, images and other similar stuff to your video after editing all the stuff. It's time to preview the animation video. Previewing the video will give you a clear idea about it. You can re-edit the video if you don't like something while previewing it. If you like the preview, you can download the video. You will get the video downloaded within a few minutes. It's simple to use this. Now you go to my description. You should not miss a chance. Link below. You click the link and go to the my exhibit link and get discovered. Purchase easily.